Good afternoon, friends. This is Kiran Sir's voice. Welcome to online classes. In last period, we discussed about the driest and wettest weather, and in last period, in a half period, we discussed about the wettest weather. In wettest weather, we discuss about the Meghalaya in India, and this is the Meghalaya place. So many tourist people came there to see the caves. This is created from the precipitations. In last videos, we discussed about the kin caves from all over the world, and tourists came to see the that caves. Okay, till here we discuss. Now, students, in this period we discuss about the wettest weather in India. For that, you have to open your page number 57 in right side second last paragraph. Now in this period we discuss about the Monsoon Ram. You heard the name before? Yes. Okay, let's start the lesson. The village of Monsoon Ram in Meghalaya gets the title of wettest place on earth with nearly 12 meter of rain on average per year. So this is the Monsoon Ram place in Meghalaya in India, and this is the wettest place on the earth. धरती पर दुनिया में मानसून राम को एक वेटेस्ट प्लेस के नाम पर माना गया है बिकॉज monsoon ram receive a more rain, more precipitation. So that's why this is the given title to this place, title of wettest place on the earth. And average precipitation per year of the monsoon ram is 12 meter. So that's why this is the very big number, because in a dry place, in dry world, in dry areas, we discuss about that there are only having the 25 centimeter of precipitation, but in monsoon ram in India in Meghalaya 12 meter of range on average per year, and this is the average number. So that's why when we listening or reading the number of the precipitation, 12 meter is the more comparing the other places. Okay, the village is situated on the mountains and it lies in the path of warm winds and that carry rain-filled clouds over from the Bay of Bengal. And why there in monsoon ram having a more precipitation? For that, having the one reason for that, बे ऑफ बंगाल के ऊपर से जाने वाले जो मॉइस्चर्स विंड्स रहते हैं वो वहाँ से लेके जाते हैं, एंड दिस इज द वार्म विंड्स दैट कैरी रेन फील्ड क्लाउड्स ओवर फ्रॉम द बे ऑफ बंगाल. बे ऑफ बंगाल के ऊपर से जो विंड्स आते हैं वो भी एक रीज़न है कि वहाँ पर बारिश ज़्यादा होती है. एंड दिस इज द monsoon ram विलेज सिचुएटेड नियर द माउंटेन्स, and there are chances when the winds traveling one place to another on the mountains area, they trap there and pour all precipitation on the monsoon ram, and this is the another reason for that. Okay, these are the two reasons. Now see again, the winds are pushed together in the narrow zone and concentrate their moisture on the village. The winds are pushed together in the narrow zone. narrow zone की तरफ वो आ जाते हैं and concentrate their moisture on the village. जितना सारा मॉइस्चर रहता है उतना सारा मॉइस्चर वो एक ही विलेज पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द नैरोअर जोन एंड हैविंग द मच precipitation in the monsoon ram. Okay, The clouds become trapped on the mountain sides and drop all the water they accumulated over the summer months in massive and mostly continuous monsoon deluge. Deluge means this is called the pralay lana, महाप्रलय. ओवरवेलमिंग नंबर और अमाउंट, ज़्यादा तादाद में बारिश देना या कंटिन्यूसली बारिश देना. सो दिस इज द पैराग्राफ रिगार्डिंग द monsoon ram in Meghalaya in India. There are in this passage given the 2-3 reasons why in monsoon ram having a more precipitation. When you people studying again this paragraph, you got the 2 or 3 reasons. So this is the reason having a more precipitation. And to see the monsoon ram, more tourists came from the abroad and more tourists came from the India also. So that's why this is the great things to the monsoon ram. Okay. Now students, we are discussing about the blizzard weather. Blizzard means unusual, irregular, we can say that irregular weather, यानी कि एक अजब सा अलग सा weather. Okay, it is a stereotype of British people that they spend a lot of time talking about the weather. So this is the one things that British people so many times thinking about the Indian weather and they are gossip about the weather in India. Okay, this might be because the temperature, rain and wind can change day by day and hour by hour in the United Kingdom. So this is the weather condition in the United Kingdom. In that UK, hour by hour or day by day change the weather condition. So that's why British people gossiping about the Indian weather, and this is the comparison between the British and India. Okay, got it? Although temperatures are not extreme and the 4 seasons are easily identified, the weather in the UK is unpredictable, irregular. यूके का जो वेदर है वो इरेगुलर है. देर आर चेंजिंग द डे बाय डे एंड आवर बाय आवर. सो इन द यूके नॉट हैविंग अ टेम्परेचर आर नॉट एक्सट्रीम. वहाँ पर जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होता है. द 4 सीजन आर इजीली आइडेंटिफाइड. In British people enjoying the 4 season and they easily identified because they are having the sudden change, unpredictable weather in a United Kingdom, in a England. Okay, it is likely to rain on 9 to 14 days in each month. हर मंथ में बारिश 9 से 14 दिनों तक ही वहाँ पर बारिश रहती है. And it is perfectly possible to have a cold day इन द मिडल ऑफ द समर. मिडल ऑफ द समर में ये पॉसिबली है कि वहाँ पर ठंड के दिन भी आ जाते हैं इन अ समर डेज. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इन समर डेज हैविंग अ कोल्ड डेज. सो दैट्स वाई सो मेनी पीपल वेंट देयर टू एंजॉइंग द विंटर सीजन इन समर सीजन. अंडरस्टैंड? It is completely normal to have a range of weather in any one day. It is a completely normal. एक एक दिन में वहाँ पर वेदर होता है वो completely normal होता है. It is completely normal to have a range of weather in any one day. It's not wonder. एक चमत्कार नहीं है. It's not wonder that the weather has had an impact on the English language, which is full of weather related idioms. So it is no wonder, ये चमत्कारिक नहीं होगा अगर इंग्लिश ब्रिटिश लोगों की इंग्लिश अगर उसमें वेदर रिलेटेड आइडियम्स आते हैं तो दिस इज़ नॉट अ वेरी वंडरेबल, दिस इज़ नॉट अ सरप्राइजेबल थिंग्स. बिकॉज व्हेन यू डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द यूएस के लैंग्वेजेस, अमेरिका की लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज और यूके की इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जब हम कंपैरिजंस करते हैं तो बोथ लैंग्वेज हैविंग अ मोर चेंज। इन दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस में भी चेंज है, बिकॉज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस इज फुल ऑफ वेदर रिलेटेड आइडियम्स। वेदर रिलेटेड आइडियम्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस में होते हैं एंड अमेरिकन लैंग्वेजेस में नहीं होते हैं। दैट्स वाई दिस इज द वन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस इन यूएसए एंड यूके। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, till here we can stop today. I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.